We just got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder who it's from. Okay, y'all. So I just purchased this. It's called the XN-8030 Beauty Skincare Specialist. And it's a vacuum negative pressure type acne pore cleaning instrument. So I figured, why not open it with you guys? So let's see. They gave me the color pink out of all colors, y'all. I do not like pink. But this is the instructions. It's called the Acne Pore Cleaner of Vacuum Negative Pressure. And of course it gives the directions on how to use each of the probes, if I'm pronouncing it right. It comes with 4 different ones. A power switch and an LED charging indicator. So it comes with a charger. Okay, so let's see what they got. Show me what you got, little mama. Oh, fancy a little bit. Oh, okay. It's blue. More like it. I hated the pink. Okay, so it's blue, so I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So, of course, it comes with just one in plastic. Come a little closer. There's one already on there. Then it comes with this one. It's a little smaller at the top. And this one has a little glitter around there. And last but not least, as you can see, the opening is different. Sorry, it's foam. And then it comes with the adapter and then the charging piece. So I'm actually excited. I was feeling a little down because it was blue. So again, this is how it came. I am actually going to do a review on it because I'm trying to get my skin on A1. If you can recommend any products that is good, that you think is helpful for oily skin. I have a lot of blackheads and open pores. Just leave a comment below. Tell me what you guys know. I'm just checking the directions to see if I want to tell y'all something interesting about it. Okay, so just read the directions. It's all simple. So again, guys, it's the XN-8030 Acne Pore Cleaner of Vacuum Negative Pressure. So I'm going to try it eventually and see how I like it. So I pushed the, oh, that's the LED light. Oh, it's actually suctioning my finger. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay. And that's the LED light. Okay, so I'm guessing it's different levels of speed. Yeah, it is. It seems like it's going up and up. And then it's off. Okay, so y'all, okay. How do you take it off? I'm gonna read the directions. I'm not good with the... But I just want to thank you guys for watching. You can like, comment, subscribe. Comment any new products that you know of that will help with my skin or that you would like me to try. Don't forget to push that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.